if we got teams and randoms moving right along, I'll keep doing that, and then I always finish up with packs. I make sure I have no pack orders left before I get off for the night. So if I don't do it in between teams filling or whatever, I'll always get to it at the end of the night. Here we go. Valor 119. Good luck, everyone. Hold on just a second. Moncrief, Thomas, McCarron, Johnson, strength, 338 of 499 for the Texans, and his farmer boy Shane. Matthews, speed, and Wayne. There's another nice one. Sammy Watkins. Nice 4-color patch. For the Bills, it's Jericho, B-E-I. Jericho, you must have been due for a big night. Lawan, speed. Killing it so far. Sankey, Hill, Forte, Courage, 325 of 399 for the Bears. This is 4-tier. Miller, speed, Vereen, and Palomalu. Second hit is a Kadeem Carey 2-color patch auto for the Bears. That is 4-tier. He's hit. And a Mason, speed. Fails. Sam, Bush, speed, Austin, Welker, and Luck. Archer, Aberderis, Namath, speed, Nelson, Thomas, and Thomas. Donald, Fitzgerald, Flacco, and a Taj Boyd auto. For the Jets, that is 4-tier. No numbers on that one. Evans, Speed, and CPAT. Gordon, Manning, Hopkins, Speed, Decker, Kaepernick, and Garcon. Sefron Jenkins, Mosley, Vereen, Courage, 158 of 399. For the Patriots, Jericho, BEI. McKinnon, Jackson, and Johnson. Bryant, and the Jumbo, A.J. McCarron. For the Bengals, that is S. Edge. Smith, Speed, Aikman, and Cruz. McKinnon, Evans, got a Gronk, Glory, 137 of 199. For the Pats, Jericho, BEI. Bryant, Speed, Edelman, and Barry. Mason, and a Bernard, Valor, 64 of 99. For the Bengals, S. Edge. Peterson, Speed, got a Lacey, Thomas, and Bell. Chancellor, Peterson, Spiller, and a White, Speed, Locker, and Stacy. Jeffrey, Romo, Young, Speed, Favre, Sayers, and Thomas. Ellington, Carr, Adams, Sims, Speed, Tannehill, and Hilton. Mack, Boyd, Roethlisberger, Speed, Matthews, Johnson, and Gronk. A lot of Packers cards in this box. Barr, Clowney, Pryor, Hopkins, Discipline, 156 of 299. For the Texans, Farmer Boy Shane, Newton, Speed, and Quinn. Pierre Paul, Jones, Wright, Speed, Vick, Sanders, and Rogers. Cutler, Cameron, Allen, Watkins, Strength, 161 of 499. For the Bills, it's Jericho, Ryan, Speed, and Johnson. Ford, Cooks, Sherman, Speed, Lynch, Bradford, and Sanders. That's going to do it for Valor 119. Nice Watkins in that one.